Alright, it's John with Bassin at Altitude. I'm going to show you what's going on with this gel coat restoration. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start sanding this here with the 600 grit sandpaper. I'm going to do this section right here. I'm going to do it wet sand. And then I'm going to hit it with 1000 grit. Wipe it down, dry it off. And then I'm going to buff it out with some compounds, some cutting compounds. So here we go. It starts getting a little film of white, milky water kind of. You just want to keep going on it till that starts slowing down, and then so it starts smoothing out. You want to keep it wet. And it takes a little while, you know. I might have to get a new piece of 600, I think. So what I'll do is I'll show you this when I get done sanding it.